Hello everyone. We just came to DFO in Sydney. They're so busy. The shop is really fully packed. Today is Sunday, 9th of November 2025. I just got in and it's just lunchtime right now and it's fully packed. So I didn't know actually there was a sale in DFO today. So when I went to the store and I noticed that there's like 40% off, and this is a Nike store for shoes. As you can see, there's so many people. You can find lots of variety of Nike shoes here, including these sports shoes, as well as for kids, adults, for any type, any color, any. So there's so many variety of shoes there. So you will actually get confused that when you want decide to buy which one to get. So I'm just going to walk through each aisle to show you that the shoes that I was interested to buy in. So there are some good one that I picked, which is very comfortable and very reasonable price. This one that I'm showing, this the price is written there, and 40% off in the top of the price is written on the shelf. So as you can see, if it's $70, it will be 40% off on $70 shoes, and there are so many colors. This one is a bit of yellow and all very fancy type of shoes there, and there are more type of shoes there. Next aisle, white, I can see is there will be like a black, yellow, purple, green, all the sizes are there. So most of the Nike shoe size were here were size 7 in the display. I don't know what's the reason that they left it for size 7, but that's actually not Australian size 7. So this is like a UK size 7. So Australian size will be a bit bigger. So it actually took me a bit of a while to understand how they actually organize the shelf. So basically what they have done is in the display shelf, they left one sample, and underneath around that shelf, the display shoes will be available under each box of those shoes. So that's how we're supposed to look for the shoes. And there are so many employees that were actually helping. I found them, they're very friendly and helpful, and they're taking a lot of question from everyone. And because there's so much sale, because Nike shoes are normally not that at cheap price, if you would have gone to a local store, the shoes will be very expensive, and is not gonna get so variety will be there. So this is a sportswear section that where I came through, and I was just checking at the back of the shoes whether it's comfy and what color that I can actually wear with my dresses. So normally black and white is a universal color. So there are a lot of variety on the black and white. And this one also has a zipper on it. So you can actually, the people like if you don't like any belt or any sort of design in the front, you can use those for yourself. So at the end, I've actually decided to get the black and white because it's a universal color. It'll go with pretty much all the type of uniform or all type of dress that you wear. Sports shoes. So this was quite comfortable. I actually tried to wear it, and I felt really good, comfy, because there was a good cushion there at the back. So I ended up getting those one. So I'm just gonna take you through that shoes now. So I'm just gonna at the meantime I was actually checking with one of the employee, and she was wearing these shoes, and I asked her a question about that, and she said this one was comfortable too, but they don't have that anymore. So now I'm just waiting at the checkout to pay. When I took the shoes, I actually thought it was $100, but obviously I forgot about the discount of 40%, because I thought $100 was discounted with 40%. So when I went to the checkout, I paid, and after that I actually looked at in my receipt. He's actually charged me $60. So that was a 40% off. So that was a good bargain. So this is my counter. I'm paying for it. So the person who served me, he was very friendly, and he was actually giving me all these alternative option that whether if I'm a member or not. If I become a member, then what benefit do I get? So at the end, he pretty much helped me and packed my shoes. So he also told me that being a member for Nike store, the good thing is if I have a birthday coming in, then I might get an offer like with a special discount. And also if I'm a member, then my history of purchase will be recorded into the system. So in case if I lose a receipt or anything, then I can keep them. So as you can see, I paid $100, but obviously he was gonna give me back $40 because it was only $60. So which was another very good deal. So yeah, so that's the receipt that he's giving me. So and he was just gonna explain me this. So thank you for watching.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay, let me get you a pen. Thank you. And if you need to exchange and refund and do things like that, it's kind of handy to have
Membership history.
yeah, because then if you lose a receipt, it's all recorded for you.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Thank you so much.
No worries, mate. You have a
Thank
great
you.
day.